Todd, it's Zavier's birthday. You got anything to tell the young man?
Happy birthday, little bud.
Hi.
We're doing a little celebration in the shop.
We are. You gotta
it's
follow.
J-Rod's birthday.
It's
Zavier's
J-Rod
birthday.
And Blaise's birthday.
And Blaise's birthday. And I think someone else is coming up.
Wait, yeah, someone else's birthday is coming up. Oh, okay. Gage is walking away.
And I am
Give
a
it to
mom,
him.
So
What are you guys doing for your birthday? Anything?
Felonies.
Felonies. Jared, do you have any birthday plans?
Not really.
Not yet?
You want to come at felonies with me?
No.
Oh, damn.
It sounded like a shotgun was going off yesterday. I was in the storage container. I was like, bam, bam. I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, oh, it's a Cadillac.
Who's shooting at me?
Zavier, what was your wish?
More bitches.
More
Mine was a
bitches.
2-valve blower.
There you go.
Hell yeah.
Should have wished for something better then.
Those are both pretty good
We'll
wishes.
just leave it at the Cadillac.
You kind of did.
Leave it for the Cadillac.
Very nice. Let me get a brownie.
that would be up to Zavier because they're his.
So I was
Yep.
looking at Javier. I was kind of asking.
Only if you wished.
Without asking.
Only if you wished for a blower for me too.
I didn't, but I
You'll
will
both
now.
get blown. Alright, that works out.